Let's talk about how SelectSignal helps serious traders build real, repeatable success. BTC and ETH markets are chaotic. We built a system to cut through that noise with structure, signals, and tools. Most trading platforms are engineered to keep you hooked, not to help you succeed. They thrive on gamification, flashy upgrades, and dopamine-driven alerts. But SelectSignal was built to break that cycle with clarity and discipline at its core. Why do so many traders stay stuck? Because confusion sells more upgrades. Dependency means recurring revenue for platforms. And complexity? It hides underperformance behind flashy features. That's not helping traders, it's exploiting them. SelectSignal wasn't built to maximize engagement. It was built to maximize your trading edge. Everything in the platform, from the structure to the signals, is designed to serve your performance, not our profits. This is the shift from hype-based tools that distract and overwhelm to a clutter of signals with no clear structure. But then comes clarity, logic you can audit, signals you can trust, and ultimately a repeatable performance-first system built for serious traders. Inside SelectSignal. Inside SelectSignal, you don't just see trades, you see the logic behind every signal. Strategy panels, trade audit logs, and live feeds all visible, testable, and fully transparent, because performance is built on proof, not promises. These aren't cherry-picked wins. You see full system results with real backtests, equity curves, win rates, and profit factors. It's about showing the whole picture, the ups, the downs, and the edge behind the data. Your journey with SelectSignal starts with a simple sign-up. Connect your TradingView account, run your first strategy, and backtest the signals. From there, you'll gain confidence, refine your fit, and scale with a system that works for you. With SelectSignal, you're not just handed tools. You get access to a full strategy suite, transparent logic you can actually inspect, regular market updates, and a private community focused on discipline and performance. Our success doesn't depend on your confusion. It depends on your results. SelectSignal was built for one thing, your trading edge. If this helped show how we're different, give it a like. And let us know in the comments, what's your biggest trading goal right now?